Question says, if a wheel of radius 0.5 meter is rolling without slipping, then its linear distance covered in 3 revolutions will be A 1.5 meter, B 2 meter, C 5.4 meter, D 9.4 meter. Is in this condition linear distance is covered by using formula as S is equal to R into theta. For one complete revolution, theta will be equal to 2 pi. For 3 revolutions, it will be 3 into 2 pi. So, linear distance will be obtained as radius is given as 0.5 meter. So, theta for 3 revolution is given as 3 into 2 pi. So, linear distance will be obtained as, when we will multiply these values, then we will get the answer as 3 pi meter. As the value of pi is 3.14, so 3 into 3.14 meter. So final distance will be obtained as 9.4 meter. So the correct option will be D 9.4 meter.